Hello, how are you? How are you? How you feeling? Want to check some questions? Taking questions. Mr. Tax, how are you? How you feeling? Oh, Ngoleye. How are you? No Jim Ongole. How you feeling? Hello, hello. How are you? Yeah, we're just taking questions. I don't have anything to say because I already talked about the latest news. It's if you watch my last video, you'll see all the major news going on. I'm just here to take questions. If anybody has a question, just put it in the comment. I'm just here to take questions, okay? Just place your question in the comment section. I-730 transferred to another jurisdiction, okay? Hmm. Apply for citizenship, forgot to state that I had a traffic citation. Can I still let USCIS know when I go for the interview? Um, yes, you have to let USCIS know that you had a traffic citation and you forgot to mention it. You have to let USCIS know because you don't want USCIS to find out that you lied. That's what you don't want. It's better to just tell them straight up. When you go to the interview, just let them know you forgot that. Just remember it. And you have to show them the outcome of it. Did you pay the fine? If they tell you to pay the fine, did you pay the fine? Is it going to have an impact? Oh, a small violation. I don't really think so. But it's better to tell them. I have a question. Yeah, put put your question. Just put your question in the comment. 1 year after asylum. The time to apply for the green card is 1 year after the grant of asylum. That's when you apply. You look at your approval notice, whatever, if you got approved by the judge, you look at the date, 1 year, you apply. I don't know how long it takes for the National Benefit Center to give you an answer. I don't know. You just have to, follow up with them, call them or something, because they might sit on the case forever if you don't follow up with them. Yeah. There's really no specific um timeline. When it comes to USCIS, there's no specific timeline for them. When they want to do it, they'll do it. But your job is to follow up. If you don't follow up, that's when you got a problem. Yeah. Questions. I'm just taking questions. Okay. Today I'm just taking questions as far as latest news is concerned. I already talked about the latest news, I believe yesterday. Oh my gosh, they closed the ombudsman office. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, let's see what we have here. How long does it take to approve VAWA? VAWA right now is taking like 4 years, to be honest with you. It says 40 months. Yeah, almost 4 years. But you have to give it at least 3 years, but that's the minimum. Yeah. My spouse had a divorce and the absolute was made on the 20th of February, but the court made a mistake and sent the proceeding to her as of 23. I saw the error after we have filed. Yeah, you have to make a correction. Basically, you have to talk to the court to make a correction, then send the corrected version to USCIS. Yeah, you have to fix it because otherwise you're the one who will be in trouble. If you find a mistake, then you should fix it. Transfer to another jurisdiction. It just means that it was sent to another location. Maybe where it was, they have a lot of cases, then they send it to a different location. Just the way it reads, transfer, they just transfer it to another jurisdiction. That's all. You went to the court and made a correction. Okay, you go to the court, make correction, and then send USCIS the corrected version because it's not your mistake. But still, it's your responsibility to fix the mistake. You have the corrected now. Yeah, you can send it to USCIS. Yeah, you can send it to USCIS in advance and you keep the copy. And when you go to the interview, you can show them again. How long is it taking for wife? I am US citizen. She's in the US. I want 30 right now. I'll give it a minimum of 1 year, maximum 2 years. Green card, should I travel? Yeah. Jay, go to my TikTok. Go to my TikTok account. I made a video about traveling. It's you just have to watch the entire video. It's only like 10 minutes. I give specifics about traveling on a green card. Just go to my, I just made it today. Let me see if I can click the link here. Let me see if I can click the link so I can copy the link and see if I can give it to you right now. Yeah, I made a long video about it. Just have to watch it. It's just a lot of it's not too long, at least it's 8 minutes. Um then you get your answer from that. So let me try to see. Hold on. I can copy the link. Okay. Jay, I put the link for my video for travel in the comment section. Okay. My question is, can we upload the correct divorce decree upload in the USS? Yeah, you can upload it in uh, um the corrected version, but you have to explain like you are you put a letter saying that the first one had a mistake, we had it corrected, this is the corrected version. And you have the basically the opportunity to explain yourself on the day of the interview, but you have to put it there, but you have to tell them otherwise they'll have two documents, they don't know what's going on. Or wait in case they, no, I wouldn't wait, I will put it now. I don't see why you should wait. Yeah, since you have it, why do you have to wait? You have it, you make copies, you have copies, you upload, but you explain to them that the first one had a mistake, we had it corrected. That's it. For citizenship applications process, have there been any recent changes on that? They have a new form, that's the recent change. The form N400, if you're applying, there's a new form. I haven't applied with the new form yet, but you are, yes, but you can, check the new form and see if anything has changed. They have a new form now. Basically, maybe they've made a few changes. It's always, you can just look at the new form and see the questions if anything has changed. Are you Congolese? Yes. Yes, I'm from the DRC originally, yeah. The real date of the absolute was, okay. Yeah, just, Peter Eluma, just put the new version and explain to them the first one had a mistake on it. That's it. It's very simple. Peter Eluma, how many times I'm gonna say yes? You need to tell them. You need to upload it and tell them. Okay, you upload it and tell them yes. We've made the correction. That was the first one had a mistake. This is the new one, the corrected version. Okay, we're gonna move on that question because we already answered that question. Okay. March 19, 25, we transfer your salary. We transfer your I want refugee relative petition. Hope is a good sign. Transferring just means that, maybe where it was located, they have a lot of cases now. They're giving it to the another location. That's it. That's all it means. Good sign or bad sign, it really doesn't matter. It's just going to a different location. That's it. If your VAWA petition has stayed up to 4 years and you have not gotten it, what can you do next? Follow up. But with VAWA, you can't really call them. You have to write like a letter and send it to their office, follow up and see why it's pending too long. You can file an inquiry online. You can try the expedite request if it's going to work. The only thing you can do is follow up. But if you feel like you want to file a lawsuit, you can do that too. don't think so. I really don't think so. Defaulting on a student loan affecting getting a 10-year green card. I don't think so, to be honest. The thing that affect the green cards are criminal records, failing to pay taxes, misrepresentation, those type of things, fraud. But student loan, yeah, you can always call the student loan agency and, try to make an arrangement. Yeah, you should upload it, but you should always keep a copy in case you go to the interview. You can tell them. Uh, but even when you're uploading it, you should tell them what's going on because they have to know. Otherwise, they have two documents. They don't understand what's going on. What's processing time spousal green card at the NBC? Green card at the embassy. Whew. I don't know. You just have to go with the processing time online. Um, what I've seen so far, the 2 years, if they're giving you the 2 years green card, is going faster. Give it a minimum of 1 year. But if they're doing like, if it's going to be a 10 years green card, give it a minimum of 2 years. You're welcome. I want 30 pending for 19 months. Yeah, 19 months is not, it's not really bad. Um, if it's time to file an inquiry online, you can file the inquiry online. If not, then you just wait, right? Um, I-130 sometimes it's taking 2 years, 3 years. It's just depending what center. People who are, let's say, in small states, their cases are being processed. Their, their cases are going faster. But here, for example, in Baltimore, yeah, you're gonna wait for a very long time. Those I-130 is taking like, they're taking like 3 years. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why. With France Luma, how are you? How are you feeling? Thanks for joining us. By the way, please like and share, right? We're giving answer. Please like and share. Don't forget to like and share. Oh, Nojim Oguleye, please like and share, okay? Can you help me file for green card asylum granted May 10, 2024? Yes, I can help you file on May 10, 2025. Email me, okay? Yeah. Then I'll give you a quotation how much I'm gonna charge you. Just email me. Um, Let me put my email here so you don't forget. Yeah, email me. I'll help you file it on May 10, 2025, in 2 months. Oh, you finally went home. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm glad you were able to go home, right? Yeah, this is my former client. We did his green card. It was tough, but we did it. Oh my gosh, it was really tough, but we did it. Yeah, we did it. Now he's home. He's gonna come back. Yep. That I'm glad to hear that. I'm happy somebody can go home and come back. You know what I mean? Yeah. Minute. Peter may need therapy and medication. He's having a nervous breakdown. Who's Peter? Peter Eluma. Okay. Nervous breakdown. Okay. Yeah, my email. I just put my email in the comment section. Okay, just after your comment, you see my email. Just email me. I'll let you know how much I'll charge for that. Um, what else? Peter. Oh, yeah. I understand. Yeah, because those are the comments, right? You're trying to put the entire sentence. Yeah, sometimes it's like breaking down. Oh, okay, we got it. We got it, Peter. We got it. Please like, by the way, Peter Eluma. Please like and share. Please like and share. Jay, you too. Please like and share. People fighting in the comment. Please like and share. We're just here taking questions, okay? Today's question day. We talked about immigration um, news. If you watch my last video, you have all the news you need. And if you go on TikTok, you have more detail on travel ban. And I put my TikTok link here as well. So right now we're just answering questions. That's it. Waiting for you to come up with questions. Please like, please share. We are just here to answer questions, okay? You followed I-212, wherever 2 months ago, still don't receive a receipt. They're saying that some receipts, like for VAWA, um, they're taking like 90 days. Um, Wait for another 30 days. If you don't get a receipt in 30 days, you have to email uh, USCIS to figure out where the receipt is. Yeah. Up to 90 days, you wait. If you don't see a receipt, you have to email them. Because some receipt, yeah, let me see if I can see the email. Yeah, that you can email them. Yeah, so Anne-Marie Stories. That's the email I put right there. So basically, you wait at least 90 days. If you don't see anything, you have to email USCIS and show them proof of mailing, like, your tracking number, something like that. So I put an email, the lockbox supports uscis.dhs.gov. That's the email we usually email them to find out about what's going on with the case. I hope when you send it, you had a tracking number. Okay. Customary marriage. Customary marriage, I've never dealt with that. when it comes to customary marriage. But I don't know how it's gonna play out with immigration because I've really never dealt with that. But I've heard for Nigeria, sometimes people use customary marriage to prove valid marriage. But the thing is, at some point, did you go there? If you never went there, it's going to be a problem because the marriage has to be consummated, as they say it. So can be by proxy. They don't really like that. How can I recapture my old receipt number from an approved I want to? What you have to do is to file a uh, FOIA request. Okay, you file a FOIA request, you get your entire file. That's when you will see your receipt notice. Yeah, you only have to file the FOIA request. Okay, I guess it's the form G639. Um, Loyal. You file a FOIA request by filing form G639 online. It's free anyway to file the G639 requesting your entire immigration file. That way, when you get your file, you will see your receipt notice. That's what you do. How long will the waiver take? That I don't know. You just have to go with the timeline on USCIS.gov. When you just look at processing time, you put 212 and see, at least it gives you like an estimate on timeline. Because right now, to be honest, nobody can tell you like, oh, this will take this time. JB Nigeria. This guy fighting in the comment section. Email sent. I'll check it out after we're done with this live session. Peter Eluma. Loyal, thanks. You're welcome. Okay. What else? What else we have here? We're just waiting for you to okay. Yeah, I'll send you a reply when we're done. Veronica Villegas, how are you? How you feeling? Veronica Villegas, are you from Venezuela? How you feeling with what's going on with this administration against Venezuelan? You're welcome. Peter Eluma, please like, please share, okay? Please like, please share. Please like, please share, okay? I have a vowel one step and I transfer to submit. What is mean? No, I'm from Mexico. Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought you Venezuela. I don't know. Maybe I talked to somebody from Venezuela. Um, the I-485 got transferred to submit Missouri. Okay. Yeah, that's the. I guess that's where the benefit center is. It simply means that they're sending it where you know, maybe where it used to be, they have a lot of cases. Now they're just dispatching it to a different location. That's all. Maybe the other location does not have more cases, then they can take some cases from the other location. That's all it means, nothing else. Is it safe to go to an interview for I-130? Uh, just know that if you go to the interview right now with I-130 and then removal order, chances are ICE will be there because of previous removal order. So you just have to be prepared for the outcome of it. What are you going to do if he gets detained? So you will have to be prepared for after the facts. What are you going to do? So, and then if you don't go, your husband doesn't go, the case is just going to get denied. That's it. So the choice now is yours. Yeah, if you go by yourself, your husband doesn't show up, it's just going to get denied. Okay, that's how I'll answer that question. You just have to be prepared in terms of if ICE gets to detain, what is your plan? If you have a lawyer, you need to talk to the lawyer about that. Like, what is the plan in case ICE show up there at the interview because of prior order of removal? So that's what they do. At least now, that's what they're doing. They used to do it too under Obama. At some point, they did it too under Biden. But now that's what they're gonna do under. Basically, that's what they're doing under Trump. So you just have to be prepared with Plan B. It's like you're in the middle. You don't go, it gets denied. You go, ICE might be there. So just have a Plan B. 36 months in me waiting for approval. Yeah. we wish for you, right? Because this is our thing, especially now that they're like, you know what they did with people who work there. They're trying to like lay off a lot of people. They did actually, and then now it's just the staff is being reduced, and the cases are going to be taking longer again. So the people who are good are people who are in small cities like Portland, Maine, for example. I went to the interview over there. It like we didn't have a lot of people there in the waiting home. But when I went to Atlanta, Georgia, bunch of people. If you go to Baltimore, forget that. Yeah, so that's just what's going on. That's the unfortunate part. About traveling, Amana Yilma, you just have to watch my video on TikTok, okay? I talked about all the traveling, what to do, what not to do. Yeah, I'm not going to repeat it here. Let's see if I have the link. Let me just put the link. The video is short. You can just watch it. And yeah, I put the link in the comment section. I don't know if you're going to see it. Yeah, just watch that video. I really talked a lot about it. What to do, what not to do. And I really divided in everybody category. So yeah, just visit my TikTok. It's today's video. That was today's video. I talked about the travel ban and the traveling outside. Let me see if I can put the link here. Let me see if I can put the link here again. I put it in the comment section. Let's see if I can put it again. Okay, that's the video. I copied the link. Let me put it again here. Yeah, that's the link right there. Just right after your comment, there's a link there. Just click the link. I just made the video today. I think I have to post it on YouTube as well. Yeah, I really explained a lot of things about this travel outside of the country. So yeah, just watch it. It's only 8 minutes. You're welcome. What else? I guess we don't have more questions, right? This is it, right? Anybody else has a question so we can wrap up? I wanted to do this live so I can just answer questions. Okay. I think this is it. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's see if we have a question here. Yeah. So that's it. We don't have any more questions. Concert fee still the same or changes? Oh, my consultation fee went up. I changed it. I changed it. I changed it because I've been on the same price for 5 years, you know. So I have a question regarding really ID. What is the question? What is the NVC wait time? No idea. No idea. Currently, Nigeria, I saw almost 3 years. We're going on under 3 years and a half, and the people are now being called for the interview. And right now, even if you sued, the Department of State is coming up with strong response. So yeah, that's the only thing I know is for Nigeria right now, at least 3 years and a half. What country again? Haiti, they even closed the embassy. What country again I'm dealing with? Congo, it's almost 2 years and a half. Yeah, those are the people I have over there for now. Oh, let me give you the, you can give them the consultation link. Hold on. You can send them this consultation link. You can see the consultation link on my profile. You can just give it to them. Then they'll make up their mind if they want to do it or not. But you can just give them the consultation link. Thanks. People, if they're gonna be able to have a real ID, I think so. They should be able. I don't see anything preventing that unless they come up with something else. And why now, to be honest, if somebody has like no status, traveling by airplane, it's people are having a lot of like concerns because nobody on my side has experienced that, but there are a lot of reports that TSA is asking for people's status, which they're not supposed to do that. Um, but anyway, so if they're gonna come, if the work permit is gonna be able, if a person is gonna be able to get a real ID with a work permit, I believe so, because that I don't see a problem with that. But I don't know again with this administration. Let's see. It's next. It's in May, right? May 7th. Let's see by April what they're gonna say. But I think it's supposed to. Yeah. Senegal. Senegal. I don't have anybody over there, but to be honest, in general, people have been waiting for 2 years, 3 years. I've seen 3 years and a half. Yeah. You're welcome. I just received my renewal for 5 years. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah, to be honest, I don't know if I don't think to be honest, it's not supposed to be a problem because that's how it works. You get your work permit, you get your driver license, you get your ID. The real ID is just a federal one instead. So and it has expiration date too, so they can give it based on the work permit. I don't think there'll be a problem. So let's see. Let's see. You see, I'm from. Yeah, you should, since you did not hire me. Since you refused to hire me, you should be. You should. That's the least you can do for me, right? But thanks anyway. Still safe to travel with advanced parole? No. The short answer is no. But go ahead and watch the video. Let's see. Watch my latest video on TikTok. I explain a lot about it. Yeah, try to request it and see if what they're gonna say. And let us know too when we come to the next live session. Let us know. Yeah, I don't think it's a problem because that's just how it works. Yeah, I don't think that would be a problem. Yeah, let us know when you come, when we have a next live session next week. You just let us know how it goes in Colorado. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Okay. What else? Whew. What time is it? 43 minutes. I guess we're done here, right? Okay, so I guess we're done here. If you want to know anything about latest immigration news, watch my last video on YouTube. If you want to know about the travel ban and USCIS denials, just go ahead and watch my latest video on TikTok. I think I'm just going to post that video here as well, probably tomorrow. Yeah, that's it. Because those are the major things going on at this moment. And then I made a slide on my post and then on IG about, frequently asked questions. Let me put my Instagram here, handler. Yeah, you can go and like that post. You guys don't like to like. The more you like, the more they show it to other people. Let's see. Uh, Yeah, so I'm putting my IG profile here, right? When you click on it, my latest post, those are the frequently asked questions about removal proceedings and mass deportation. And that can help somebody you might know. They can just read it and be aware. You see? So please go ahead and like that latest post on IG. And tomorrow I might repost the video I've made on TikTok here so that a lot of people can just know what's going on. Okay. Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. So we're gonna come back next week if we have better news. If it's still the same news, there's no point. If we have better news or new news, then we come like breaking news, stuff like that, then we'll come back next week and then take questions or make videos. But I guess this is it. But tomorrow they say that the ban was supposed to be here as soon as, yeah. But anyway, so let's just see how it goes with the travel ban and stuff. It was supposed to be official tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so this is it, huh? Okay, this is it for today. Okay, thank you very much. Please share, please like. Until next time, bye bye.